This is the HTC MyTouch 3G slide loudspeaker replacement guide. To gain access to the loudspeaker, you'll need to disassemble your phone using the HTC MyTouch 3G slide take apart repair guide, which is available at repairsuniverse.com. The loudspeaker is held in place with a small bit of adhesive. Use a safe open pry tool or flathead screwdriver to release the adhesive and remove the speaker. Notice the front of the speaker. This is where the contacts are. On the rear of the speaker is where the adhesive sits. To replace the speaker, reapply the adhesive and press it firmly into the housing, and it should pop right into place.